Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see the properties of parallel lines cut by transverse line. These properties, they are going to help us solving geometry question involving angles. We are going to learn about corresponding angles, alternate angles, vertical opposite angles, interior angles, and exterior angles. Consider a parallel line AB and CD. It is cut by this transverse line and forming angle A, B, D, C, E, H, F, and G. Let us start with the first property, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are two angles in the same position with respect to transverse but on different line. Example, angle A and H, they are corresponding to each other. They are in the same position with respect to transverse line, but they are in different line. We know that corresponding angle are equal. From our diagram, A and B, they are corresponding angle, so they are equal. A is equal to H, and angle C, it corresponds to F, and they are equal. So C is equal to F. Other corresponding angle are B equal to E and D equal to G. Let's go and see the second type of angle, that is alternate angles. Alternate angles are a set of non-adjacent angles of either side of the transverse line. Alternate angle, they are not adjacent to each other. They are alternate. They are formed in either side of the line. Example, C and E, they are alternate angle. They are used to form a Z pattern. I start from one parallel line, I go through transverse line, and then I go back to the other parallel line. Now I'm going to form C and E as alternate angle. Alternate angle are congruent, that means they are equal. Now C is alternate to E, so they are equal. And also angle H, it is alternate to angle D, so also they are equal. H is equal to D. Number 3, let us see vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles are formed by two intersecting lines. Example, this line and this transverse line, they intersect over here and they form vertical opposite angle A and D, C and B. Vertical opposite angle are congruent, means they are equal. A and D, they are vertical opposite angle and they are equal. That is, A is equal to D. Also, C and B, they are vertical opposite angle, they are equal also. C is equal to B. To the other side, H is vertical to G. H is equal to G. And F is vertical to E. That is, F is equal to E. Let's go to number 4 and let's check exterior angles. Exterior angles, these are two angles on the exterior on the same side of the transverse line. From our diagram here, exterior angles are A and B, F and G. The sum of this exterior angle, they are supplementary. That means A plus B, this is equal to 180 degree. Another pair of exterior angle are F and G. F plus G, also it gives us 180 degree. Let us go to the last property, that is interior angles. Interior angles are two angles on the interior and on the same side of transverse line. Example, angle C and D, they are interior, and also angle H and E, they are interior. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180. That is C plus D is equal to 180 degree, and H plus E, this is equal to 180 degree. I hope you get idea on the properties of parallel lines cut by transverse line, from which we see corresponding angles, alternate angles, vertical opposite angles, interior angles, and exterior angle. We are going to use the concept that we get over here to solve different questions in geometry concerning angles. For more questions on geometry, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.